Welcome to all. In this video, we discuss about internal trade versus external trade. First, what is the meaning of trade? Trade is a basic economic concept, and the trade generally refers exchange of goods among different individuals. And trade is defined as a general marketplace of buying and selling of goods and services. It is a central activity in the economy, and trade not only refers exchange of goods and services within the country, but also difference between two or more countries. And trade is essential satisfaction for human wants. So trade are classified into two types. One is internal trade and another one is external trade. So what is the meaning of internal trade? It is also known as home trade or domestic trade. Internal trade is the buying and selling of goods and services within the political boundaries of a country, and it involves transaction between producers, consumers and middlemen. It may take place between buyers and sellers in the same locality, village, town or city, or maybe in different states, but definitely within the same country. So it is called internal trade. So external trade, it is also known as foreign trade or international trade. So international trade refers trade that takes place between two or more countries, and it involves a transfer of goods from one countries to another countries or across the international borders. There are different forms of currencies which are used in external trading. It includes both imports and also exports. So foreign trade basically takes place for mutual satisfaction of wants and utilities of resources. What are the difference between internal trade and external trade? So first, it differs from the meaning. Internal trade, it refers buying and selling of goods within the geographical limits of the country. But external trade refers to the trade between two or more countries or beyond the geographical limits of the countries. Next one is exchange rate. There is a no exchange rate of currencies in internal trade because payments are made and received home currency only. But in external trade, exchange of currencies are involved. Payments are received in mutually agreed foreign currency only. And the next one, restrictions of transfer of goods. Internal trade does not have any restrictions except on few goods. But in foreign trade or international trade is strictly monitored by the government and approval requires for certain goods to countries. And the next one is transportation cost. Home trade or domestic trade has less transportation cost and risk to transfer of goods. But in international trade involves very high level of transportation cost because trade occurs in road transport, air transport or water transport, etc. from one country to another. The next one is benefits to countries. Internal trade leads to economic development and self-sufficiency of a country. But in external trade or foreign trade refers to minimum two countries and it leads to economic interdependence between the countries. Next one is volume of trade. So the volume of trade depends upon the population of the country, demand for the products, etc. But in foreign trade, there are so many restrictions are levied on the free entry of goods and services, and many duties and taxes are also paid. Then next one is risk. Internal trade involves very less degree of risk, but in foreign trade gets high degree of risk such as transit risk, fluctuation of currencies and demand, etc. Next one is license. In internal trade, license is not compulsory, but in external trade, license is a very important one and it's a very compulsory. Then procedure. In internal trade, very less procedure and formalities are required. But in external trade, long procedures and many formalities are required for conducting external trade. So last one is advantages to people. Internal trade helps in increase the employment and specialization within the country. So what is the meaning of specialization? It is a basic concept of the trade. It refers when a nation or individual concentrate its protective efforts on producing a limited variety of goods. But in external trade helps in bringing the international division of labor and specialization. So division of labor states that dividing the production process into different stages enables working to focus on specific tasks. These are the difference between internal trade and external trade. Thank you.